welcome back. I'm going to finish screwing this in, making sure that it's... I don't want to tighten them all the way on both. I want to make sure that they're kind of close to being tight, but not fully tight, so that it doesn't do strange things, because it often does. It will. It might. Who knows? Now I'm going to give it a nice... Not too tight, because again, guys, if you make a mistake, you might have to untighten this whole thing and start again or whatever. Not bad, not bad. I'm going to go outside, so if anything bad happens, I won't get stuck inside, right? Yeah.
Likey